Hi, my name is Penny Chask, and I'm going to be sharing a little bit about myself with you guys. So, a little bit about me. I'm married 22 years last week. We have two children, one dog and two cats. I started my career in early intervention, working with children birth to 3, and then moved into preschool. I also taught elementary self-contained, co-teaching, small group at both the elementary and middle school level. I taught hospital homebound, both for public school and when working with infants and toddlers with disabilities. We provided homebound services, home-based services for students, children that live too far away from our center to come in for intervention and therapy support. We would go to their house in order to teach the parents and help the parents to work with the materials and things that they had in their house in hopes that we were able to minimize the long-term effects of the disability by allowing the parents to work with their children in their home. And I also did some time in working with adults with disabilities in a group home setting. And this fall, I will be going back to the middle school setting, teaching 6th grade math and reading, both co-teaching and small group. I've taught in 3 different states, both in inner city schools, suburban Title I schools, and more affluent suburban schools. My education, I have a Bachelor of Science degree in exercise science, a Bachelor of Arts degree in psychology, both of those degrees from Arizona State University, and my Master's in special education from Arizona State University. My goals overall are to develop a better understanding of curriculum and the implementation process, to be better able to evaluate the different types of curriculum available, and to be more effective and a more informed decision maker. Not only is it important to me to understand what works and the best attributes when looking for a curriculum, but also to be able to identify what does not work, and how to differentiate between those and to make more informed decisions. In all of this, in an effort to be a better advocate for all children, but particularly the children that I directly impact in my classroom. So those are the goals, or my overarching goals, that I hope to achieve by working through this curriculum and through this degree program from University of West Georgia. And this ultimately is my why. So these are my 2 kiddos, Channing and Deshay. Channing will be continuing as a legacy at Arizona State University. Both my husband and I are graduates from there. And he'll be starting, if everything goes well, as a freshman this fall at the Tempe campus. And my daughter will be starting her 3rd year at Mississippi State University, and she is a biomedical engineering major and also a trumpet player in the famous Maroon Band. So they are my why. They're the reason, whoops, that didn't go well, sorry. They are the reason that I keep taking classes and try to be a good role model for them, to show them that it's important to continue to be a lifelong learner and that your education never ends. And so it's been really fun during this COVID-19 with all 3 of us working on our schoolwork at home and having to put up signs on who's taking a quiz when and who's online and what's going on. But anyway, ultimately, they're the reason why I keep doing what I'm doing, both to improve the education of the students I directly impact, but also to provide hopefully a good role model for my own kids and the importance of education and being a lifelong learner. Have a great summer. I look forward to working with you all throughout this course and the rest of the program. Take care.